Say hi, Poops. Do you want to go in the RV or you want to go swimming? Alright guys, it's been a little while since I've done a video. We've had some racing going on here. I've been a little busy. First update is I finally have an RV outlet so I can run my air conditioner. That's huge. I did install some vent screens out here. This one I have to fix. It's a little bit crooked. I was also told the little springs these things come with in here and the little tool, you can lose them on the highway. So I'll redo them with safety wire. And these ones as well. I don't know if you can see that. There's like mesh here set from Camco. So that was really cool. Easy to do. Those just zip tie. Oh, furnace covers. They come with the little springs, but I think I will do the safety wire. All right, couple little things inside I did. I got a set of carpet covers for the stairs. I have an elderly dog and he does not like these metal stairs. These were super easy to put on too. I don't know if you can see. There's springs that come with them and 2 sets of grommets depending on what size. All right, Lippert screen defender for the doggies. Oh, I don't know if I should even show this, but I guess I will. Probably gonna take it off because this is so deeply inset, but I made a Bush Fix screen protector for the outside. It's just sheet metal from Lowe's and duct tape and zip ties, which is terrible, but it worked. So we'll see how long that lasts, or I'll take it off. I have my little command strips attached shelf. This clipboard's going to be for like my dump list checklist and setting up checklists, so I don't get anything wrong. You gonna finish the tour, Poops? Nope. I can't remember if I showed you guys this. My little plants hanging with those little adhesive things I got from Amazon. Those are holding up well. Let's see, what else did we do? Oh, ignore these. These will be hung up, but they're just hanging just until I get a chance to steam them so they're not so wrinkly. Okay. I also got a set. These were $4.99 each. Let's see, 10 square feet from Amazon. I'm going to be putting this in all the drawers. Another thing I saw from someone else, a great tip, is curtain rods. This has ended up being my chemical storage for now just because it's so shallow, so it works well. So I got curtain rods in there. Curtain rods in here for the plates. Extra roll of paper towels. Let's see, this is kind of cool. 2 curtain rods in here in a little bin because I don't want anything, I don't think it could hurt anything, but jamming into the water line supply and stuff. I don't think I did one in here because this is going to be toilet paper storage. Curtain rod in there. I might put another one on the second shelf. And 2 more curtain rods. So that's awesome. As I start to get stuff in here, I'll have, everything will go flying. I also did little soap dispensers because this aesthetically I like things to look pretty. And what's cool about these is oh my god, there we go. They fit in there for travel, so I don't have to worry about them going everywhere. But that's it. Hopefully I will be taking this thing on a short trip to the pits on our racetrack, hopefully this week, and testing out a little boondocking. What do you think? Are you gonna come with me? Yeah, he's gonna go. Thanks for watching. One other thing I forgot to show you guys, sorry about the noise, AC's on, is this adhesive paper towel rack I got from Amazon. I think it was like 11 bucks. What's nice though is it's sturdy, so I don't have to screw anything, and it fits the super or mega rolls, so that's awesome. One other thing I forgot to show you guys is I put my sewer hose in here for storage, and I got these cool Camco magnetic caps so they stick to the bumper. Magnets are pretty strong. And then check this out. So it has like a little hook on the other end, so it hooks directly to your sewer hose. So that's really cool. So far, so good. All right, poops, now we're leaving.